A very good morning, my dear students. In our previous class, we learned how to change the affirmative sentences of simple present tense into negative sentence. Today, we are going to learn how to change the affirmative sentences of simple past tense into their negative form. Let's begin. First of all, we will revise the affirmative and negative sentences of simple present tense. Let's begin. We play. What will be the negative form? We do not play. Next question is, she sings. And what will be the negative form of this sentence? Think. Yes, she does not sing. Next affirmative sentence is, Rahim draws. You have to change it into its negative form. What will be the answer? Right, Rahim does not draw. Then, they run. Change it into its negative form. Very good. They do not run. Now we will learn how to change the affirmative sentences of simple past tense into their negative form. For that, let's look at the example of affirmative sentences in simple past tense. He swam. They ran. The children played in the park. Now, look at the sentence structure of affirmative sentences in simple past tense. Students, we know that the affirmative sentence follows this rule. First we write subject, then we write the second form or past form of verb, then the remaining part. For example, the children played in the park. Here the children is subject, played is second form or past form of the verb play, and then the remaining part in the park. The children played in the park. He swam. Here he is subject and swam is the past form of verb swim. They ran fast. In this sentence, they is subject, ran is the past form of run and fast is the remaining part. Now we will learn how to change these affirmative sentences of simple past tense into their negative form. Here you can see two friends are speaking. First friend is saying, I completed my homework. It is affirmative sentence. And the second friend said, I did not complete my homework. It is negative sentence as a negative word not is there. Now we will learn how to change these affirmative sentences of simple past tense into their negative form. To do so, we have to follow two rules. Number one, we have to change the past form or second form of verb into its present form. For example, played, play, went, go. In this way, we will change the past form of verb into its present form. Then we will add did not before the present form. For example, he did not eat. In this negative sentence, we have written the subject first. Here he is the subject, then did not, then the present form of verb eat. He did not eat. Let's learn this rule with some more examples. Here is our first example, he walked. Now we have to change this affirmative sentence into its negative form following the rule which we have already discussed. So our first step is we have to change the past form of verb into its present form. Here the past form of verb walked is changed into its present form walked. And then we have to follow the second step. That is first subject, then we have to add did not, then the present form of verb walk. So see, we have got the negative form of this sentence, he did not walk. Let's move on to the next example. That is they ran. So here, first of all, what we have to do, students? Yes, we have to change the past form or second form of verb ran into its present form run. So we have got the present form of verb. Okay, now we can move on to the next step. So here is the next step. First the subject they, then we have added did not, then the present form of verb run, and we got the negative sentence that did not run. Next, she sang a song. So first we have to change the second form or past form of verb into its present form. So we have changed sang into its present form sing. Then in the second step we have written the subject first, then did not, then the present form of verb. And we got the negative form of this sentence, she did not sing. Next, Rahul smiled. So first we have changed the past form or second form of the verb smiled into its present form smiled. Then in the second step we have written the subject Rahul first, then did not, then the present form of verb smile, and we got the negative sentence Rahul did not smile. Students, here you take a note. In the negative sentences of simple past tense, we use did not no matter the subject is singular or plural in number. Then we use the present form of verb. Students, now here is an exercise for you. Quickly change these affirmative sentences into their negative form. I walked. What will be the negative form? Think quickly and give me the answer. Yes, the answer is I did not walk. Now let's have the second question. You cried. Think the rule which I have taught you now and change it into its negative form. Very good. You did not cry. Now we will have our next question. We jumped. Now change this sentence into its negative form. You already have learned the rules. Think quickly. You are absolutely right, students. We did not jump. The negative form we jumped is we did not jump. Very good. Next question, Rahul wrote. Students, what will be the negative form of this sentence? Rahul do not write or Rahul did not write. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, Rahul did not write. Now for our next question they played, I am giving you 3 options. The negative form of they played is they do not play, they does not play or they did not play. Which one is the correct option? Choose the correct option, students. Yes, you are absolutely right. It is they did not play. Now, you choose the correct option to change this affirmative sentence of simple past tense into its negative form. What will be the right option? I do not buy a toy or I did not buy a toy. Yes, you are absolutely right. It is I did not buy a toy. Now, look at this sentence. My teacher did not taught English. Here I have made one mistake. Can you identify it? Yes. Here I have used taught after did not. Is it right, student? After using did not, which form of verb we have to write? We have to write the present form of the verb. So in this following sentence, after did not, we have to write the present form of verb teach. So the correct sentence will be my teacher did not teach English. Well done, students. Today you have given the answer to the questions quite well. Now go through the video repeatedly to understand this topic properly. Thank you very much, students. Have a nice day.